Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you love bold, stylish, and low maintenance haircuts, you are in the right place. The Pixie hairstyles is more than just a hairstyle, it's a statement of confidence and elegance. Whether you are looking for stylish tips, maintenance tricks, or inspiration for your next job, we have got you covered. From classic pixie cut to trendy model variation, we bring you the best ideas to rock short hair with confidence. Subscribe now and turn on notification for regular updates on all about the pixie hairstyles and haircuts. Let's embrace the beauty of short hair together. A pixie cut is a short and stylish haircut that is easy to take care of and looks great. In this channel, we will talk about different types of pixie cuts like short, long, wavy, straight, messy, undercut, bobbin, all types of pixie haircuts. If you love short hair or thinking of trying a pixie cut, this video is perfectly for you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. A pixie cut is a trendy short hairstyle that is easy to maintain and gives a bold, stylish look. If you are looking for a quick and effective way to style your pixie haircut, so this video is gonna helpful for you. It can be superb, short layered, or even have a long fringe. Like celebrities and influencers rope this style, making it a timeless trend. Everything you need to know about pixie haircuts and hairstyles, hair colors, and hair dyes. Whether you are thinking about getting one and already have one. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hairstyle tips and hair inspirations. In this video, we will explore the various types of pixie haircuts and hairstyle from classy to modern variations, helping you find the perfect fit. We will also provide maintenance tips on our expert recommendation. If you are trying to carry pixie haircut, we have some excellent options for you to explore. These iconic pixie hairstyles has been favorite among women who crave a fresh, confident and stylish look. These hairstyles and haircuts are not only incredible chic but also versatile, allowing you to express your unique personality. Short hairstyle and haircuts are the haircut equivalent of a power move. They are stylish, sophisticated, and perfect for keeping things yet polished. These pixie hairstyles are all about structure. These hairstyle ideas are surely worthy checking out of your wish to stand out. These pixie hairstyle allowing you to create a unique appearance with your personality that suits your skin tone and personal style. A great pixie haircut is like a good friend, reliable, stylish, and makes you feel fantastic. These hairstyles never go out of trend, and plus, it is easy to manage and full of charm. So, top explore the top level pixie hairstyles and haircuts on Pixie Chic community. See more ideas about short hairstyle and haircuts. These hairstyles perfectly balances the sophistication of a short hair of a short hair for any occasion. Explore these trendy options that combines elegance and beauty. These hairstyles provide the perfect inspiration to refresh your style. To refresh your style. So these pixie haircuts are very trending and stylish for all types of hair, which makes your personality different from others. So that's on these pixie hairstyles cut inspire transformation. I hope you found this video helpful and feel inspired to try out this stylish look. If you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to give it thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe for more hair transformation and hair inspiration and styling tips. Stay stylish, stay confident. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.